Well, I don't know if you got to see any of the ground on that climb. Maybe it was aiming too high, but it was pretty awesome. Anyways, it's totally worth it. Because when you get to the top, that's what you get to see. Catching it just in time for the sunset.